The journey of Amir, the power of learning English. Amir was a bright young man from a small village in Indonesia. His world was filled with green rice fields, the sound of birds in the morning, and the warmth of his family's love. Life in the village was simple, and Amir was content. But deep inside, he carried a dream to explore the world, to communicate with people beyond his village, and to learn about new cultures. The struggle begins. Amir's first encounter with English was in school. His teacher, Mr. Budi, often spoke about how English was the language of the world. If you want to succeed, you must learn English, he would say. But Amir found English difficult. The words sounded strange, and grammar rules were confusing. He often made mistakes and felt discouraged. One day, his father noticed his frustration. Son, he said, everything valuable takes effort. If you can speak English, you will have more opportunities. You can learn from people around the world, find better jobs, and even travel. His father's words stayed with him, and Amir decided he would not give up. The road to mastery. Determined, Amir started to practice every day. He read English books, watched English movies with subtitles, and even tried to speak in English with his classmate. He made many mistakes, but he didn't let them stop him. He learned that mistakes were part of the journey. One day, he met a tourist in his village. The tourist was lost, looking for a bus station. Amir, using the little English he knew, helped the traveler find his way. The tourist was grateful and even gave Amir a small dictionary as a gift. It was a simple conversation, but it filled Amir with confidence. He realized that learning English was not just about grammar, it was about connecting with people. The big opportunity. Years passed, and Amir continued improving his English. After finishing high school, he applied for a scholarship to study in the United States. It was a difficult process, but his English skills helped him pass the interviews and write an impressive application essay. When the acceptance letter arrived, Amir and his family were overjoyed. Moving to the United States was a big change. At first, Amir struggled to understand native speakers. Their accents were different from what he had heard in school. But he remembered his father's advice, everything valuable takes effort. He practiced daily, asked questions, and soon became fluent. In university, Amir met people from different countries. He learned about new cultures, shared his own traditions, and made lifelong friends. His English skills opened doors to knowledge, experiences, and opportunities he had never imagined. The return home. After completing his studies, Amir returned to his village as a successful entrepreneur. He started an English learning center to help young students like him. He knew that English could change lives, just as it had changed his. He often told his students, English is not just a subject in school. It is a bridge to the world. It will help you travel, study, work, and make new friends. Never give up, because learning English can transform your future. The lesson. Amir's journey teaches us that learning English is more than just memorizing words and grammar. It is about opening doors to opportunities, connecting with people from different cultures, and achieving dreams. English is the language of science, technology, business, and global communication. Those who learn it gain access to a world of knowledge and possibilities. So, like Amir, never stop learning. The road may be challenging, but the rewards are endless.